Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're someone who is passionate about artificial intelligence and machine learning, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to share an exciting internship opportunity that could help you boost your career. This is an AICTE internship by EduNet Foundation in partnership with Microsoft, SAP and AICTE. Keep watching to know all the details about this internship. And don't forget to like if this video is helpful and subscribe for more informative updates. AICTE Internship is an incredible 6-week virtual internship designed to students with hands-on experience in cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics. With personalized mentorship and collaborative learning, this internship gives you the chance to work on real-world problems and prototype solutions that can make an impact. And the best part is, you will receive certification from Microsoft, SAP and AICTE, which can feel you better more than other people. At first, let us see who are eligible for this internship. If you are a second year, third year or fourth year of BTech, BSc or BCA, then you can directly apply for this internship without checking any other details. The only eligibility is you should have some interest. Now, let us see about the perks of this internship. In this internship, you will get personalized mentorship, collaborative group learning, hands-on experience, industry certifications, and regional showcase event. If you are interested and eligible, you can apply by clicking on the apply button here. The link is available in the description box, and the last date to apply for this internship is 31st December. So try to apply as soon as possible. That's it for today, friends. Let's meet in our next video. Bye bye.